Many people think keto means meat and cheese, and vegan means carbs and hunger, but neither is true. And today, I'm ending the diet war. Everyone is fighting the wrong battle: keto versus vegan, animal versus plant, fat versus carbs. But biology doesn't care about tribes. Biology reads signals. And if you understand the signals, you stop arguing and start optimizing. Stay with me until the end, because this will completely change how you see food. Your body reads three primary signals every single day: fuel, environment, structure. Most diets only focus on one of them. Keto optimizes the fuel signal: stable blood sugar, lower insulin volatility, better cognitive clarity, less metabolic chaos. That's powerful, but fuel alone is not enough. Plant diversity optimizes the environment signal: polyphenols, fiber complexity, antioxidants, inflammation modulation. That's powerful too. But environment without enough protein weakens structure, and structure is everything. Protein is not about aesthetics, it's about muscle preservation, neurotransmitter stability, immune resilience, hormonal balance, longevity. Low protein is one of the most overlooked problems in modern nutrition, no matter which camp you belong to. Now, let's talk about evolution. Yes, we are genetically closer to hunter-gatherers than to modern industrial eaters, but hunter-gatherers were not perfect longevity models. Archaeological vascular studies on ancient remains show evidence of arterial calcification even in pre-agricultural populations. So romanticizing the past doesn't solve the future. The goal is not to go backward. The goal is to extract what worked and refine it. Movement, adequate protein, seasonal plant diversity, minimal processing, and then upgrade it with modern science. This is where keto and vegan stop being enemies. Fuel from ketosis, environment from plants, structure from high protein. That's the integration. Now let's address something honestly. Yes, supplementation is necessary, but that is not the weakness of this approach. It's the consequence of modern civilization. Our soils are depleted, indoor living reduces sunlight exposure, stress increases nutrient demand, food systems are industrialized, even omnivores are deficient. So supplementation is not compensation for a bad diet, it's compensation for a stressed world. A simple, intelligent baseline looks like this: a vegan multivitamin, including vitamin D3, vitamin K2, and a full B complex, especially B12, omega-3 from algae oil, adequate iodine intake, 2 Brazil nuts daily for selenium, magnesium, especially if you train, electrolytes when needed, and creatine. 5 grams daily as a baseline, up to 10 or even 15 grams during high stress, poor sleep, intense training, or for neurodivergent cognitive support. Creatine is not just for muscles, it supports brain energy metabolism. Again, this is not the flaw of keto-vegan nutrition, it is the reality of modern life. Now let's talk about the social part. Choosing a metabolically optimized lifestyle can feel isolating. Most cafeterias still use inflammatory seed oils. Most childcare institutions do not optimize for metabolic health. Most social environments are not built around high-protein, plant-based ketogenic meals. So yes, it can feel avant-garde, but every meaningful shift starts as avant-garde. And the actual implementation is simple: frozen low-carb vegetables, a clean plant protein source like tofu, tempeh, seitan, or a pea-based protein, quality fats like olive oil or tahini, mineral-rich seasoning, optional simple sauces based on soy yogurt or seeds, 10 to 15 minutes, batch cooking twice per week. Adjust protein intake depending on your body size and activity level. Lower protein day for rest, moderate for maintenance, higher for training or muscle preservation. The structure stays stable, the plants rotate, the fuel signal stays clean. This is not about adding more hacks, it is about sending clear signals in the right order: fuel, environment, structure. Stop choosing sides. Start optimizing signals. Keto and vegan are incomplete alone. Together, structured correctly, they become a longevity framework, not a trend, a framework. Keto and vegan can work. Simple, fast, delicious. Make no more compromises. Subscribe for more science-based keto vegan strategies.